big is the park?
I think it's a 64. 32 or a 64. Yeah.
Start over here with y'all. We got weather first, and then they're gonna come.
Good Friday morning. I'm Storm Track meteorologist Ashley Gann. Let's take a live look at the skies this morning. It's just a windbreaker today. There's a light breeze. I didn't bring the big coat today. Thanks, Art and Jamie. It is going to be a great day and a great kickoff to a wonderful weekend here in Hoover. I'm great, actually. There's a nice light breeze. This is really kind of a perfect morning, I'll be honest. I don't mind wearing a windbreaker every now and then. Looking at just a few clouds above us. Hey there, Art and Jamie. Well, I'm live from inside our weather alert unit, and here's what's really cool. We're live on remote here at Veterans Park.
What an exciting day it is here in Hoover. We're so excited to be celebrating Hoover Day. It's 50th anniversary here.
It's going to be a beautiful day today. It'll really shape up to be beautiful for the next couple of days as big events are going on all across Hoover to celebrate their 50 years. So here's a look at the skies right now. A little cloudy, and then not only here in Hoover, but this is a live look from our Storm Track Tower Cam in Gadsden. Temperatures this morning shaping up in the low to mid 60s across the board. We've got 68 in Birmingham, 63 in Tuscaloosa, 61 in Anniston. Temperatures across the state, upper 50s, kind of in the northern fringe of our viewing area.